Good morning, guys. So this morning, on my way to the shop, I went past this patch of puha-looking plants. It's right in front of an unbuilt house. It's not finished, completed yet, and there was no one there. And now that I'm planning to go and pick it, because I went and did my shopping, guys, feeling a lot healthier, even though you can hear some breathing, guys. See, I gotta breathe. Anyway, so the house is just over there, like 2 houses away from where I'm standing. And now there's a guy at the window. But guess what, guys? I'm still going to go and pluck it. I didn't bring a knife, I didn't bring a fork. So I just have to pluck them and then take it home so I can cook it for me and Rico's dinner today. I hope it's going to be puha, guys. Okay? Because by the time I upload and show you guys, but wish me luck. I'll show you when I get there. Here it is, guys. Oh my gosh, is it even puha? Okay. Because I want to pluck this because it's up in a embankment kind of thing, and it's like quite a lot of it. Oh, I don't even know if it's puha, man. I might get it wrong. The other leaves that I showed you guys before, it like had a curve, like a curve, but this one, it's got prickles. So, drats. Now I'm not sure if these are puha, guys. I was all determined to pluck it too. Oh, you know what? I think I'll give it a miss. Oops, here's a sign. It's dandelion. I'm going. I got chicken and avocado sandwich. Got hand towels. I bought water for my nephew. And I got this buttered chicken sachet. I'm gonna use it to make dinner tomorrow. Oh yeah, and my little drink that I got. It's only a little orange and mango. Oh, it's already open. Yeah, cheers, guys. I got 2 chicken salads because my nephew likes the chicken salad, so I got him 2 chicken salads. So I noticed he likes this chicken salad, so I got him 2. And he always buys this juice, so that'll go nice with his 2 salads. Got us some bread. Boom! Cream. So the cream will go with this butter chicken for tomorrow. And I got chicken seasoning. I got tomato paste in the can. I got this oil for salad and cooking. Because I noticed our oil's going down. And I got classic Kiwi barbecue seasoning. I was going to get like garlic and herb, but I thought I'll get this one. Okay, it's Mrs. Rogers' brand. So I read what's the ingredients in this herb thing. It's rosemary, thyme, sage, mint, New Zealand sea salt, pepper, black pepper, and white pepper. And then it's got garlic and onion and Himalayan salt as well, a bit of sugar, and native herbs. So the native herbs is horopito, kawakawa, and mustard and chili. Oh, chili, eh? Trying to poison me? Oh yeah, and then last but not least, the avocado and garlic dressing. Yep, so when I make the dressing, that's what I forgot to get, a grater. Because I got the carrots, but I don't have the grater. Yeah, yeah, always got to forget something when you go shopping, eh? Always. Never fail. Get out of my way, I'm talking to the viewers. Yeah, never fail. I went to a shop the other day. I went there to get, no, I can't even remember what I went. Oh, look at my glasses. I went there for 2 things. I come back with all these other stuff, but the 2 things I did not come back with. So today, me and Rico, we are having a little mini boil up, just a little mini one, because it's only him and I. So I'll show you guys later how I'm going to make that. Not that we can't all make it, we can all make it, but I know you guys want to hang out with me when I do it, eh? I'm so puffed up. But guess what, guys? I'm feeling a lot better. Because the other day, I come home and I lay down on the couch and I was like half dying. But today, I can put some washing on. And, well, I don't have any washing, guys. I did all my washing yesterday. Just got to... Where are you? Hey, I'm over here. Get over here. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm going to make myself different, but yeah, I'm just changing the lighting of the rubbish. Yeah. The bag's a bit too much for the bin, but it's better to have enough overlap than a short one because it will fall in the bin when you're putting your stuff in. There we are. So domesticated. So it's almost 9:05. So that means here is 11:05. How early do I want my dinner to be made? So I'll wait for another 2 hours, okay? And then I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I had a little rest, went and had a shower, and then I thought, okay, I better start the cooking. So, but first of all, I'm going to show you guys the ingredients. So, there it goes. I have chops there, pumpkin, cabbage, onion, potatoes and kumara, and I have garlic, salt, pepper, and chicken stock, and the pot that I'm going to cook it in. I'm going to heat my lamb chops. Okay, I've already cleaned the sink thoroughly. You know, you're gonna use it to wash your meat, your chicken and stuff. You know, some people go, oh, ew, why would you wash your chicken and stuff in the sink? Guys, why would we wash our dishes in the sink and still eat from it? As long as you really clean it thoroughly, you're A-okay. A-okay to go. Anyway, I just chopped the meat down the bottom. And then you got to boil it for a little bit to make sure it's cooked. Well, when it's halfway cooked, that's when I like to add the onions and everything else. I boiled the kettle so it can get boiling straight away. Okay. So that shouldn't take too long because the kettle was already boiled, so it was already hot. It shouldn't take too long. See this? I like to keep it around because I've got a lot to peel. Like the onions and the kumara and the potato. Yeah, so I was talking about like how New Zealand has a bin for scraps, and someone was saying, that probably lives in Penrith, obviously, that they have it in Penrith. And why do they not have it in Mount Droit? How come? How dare they? I would have loved that. I would have filled that up in no time. Because I get rid of so many food scraps. Oh, one more. One more kumara. Yeah, so Tagara will be in New Zealand for about a month. He was saying, I miss you, darling. Right. Stop it. Stop it. Yeah, but I went for a walk today, man, and I really loved it. Ooh, it's been a while since I cooked for you, eh? Yep, just cutting up this onion. I'll use the smaller bit. Yeah, and then the onion. Well, with that water, I'm going to tip out that water, the first water. Yeah. So I'm just going to like half cook it, put more boiling water in it, and then start loading everything in it. So the pumpkin, the potatoes already peeled, ready to go in after. Now I'm going to chop up the pumpkin. So when you open up your pumpkin, guys, you have to give it a wash, because this is what happens sometimes. These butternut pumpkins, they cook fairly fast, so you don't want to. So I've cut around it. Now I'm gonna like peel it off of my fingers. I made a little wood. Well, that's why I'm trying to dry it, because yeah, I splish splash, kapow. Anyway, guys, so I made me a little spray. You know, I seen it on a video, so I didn't make this up. So it's bicarb soda, okay? I put a teaspoon of bicarb soda in here. I squeezed some vinegar in here, and then I got a bit of the hand sanitizer, and I squeezed a bit of that, and then I added some water, and I shook it, and that's my spray and wipe, guys. So it's got the sanitizer, it's got the vinegar, the bicarb soda. You can even add a bit of the hand wash, but guys, it's a bit like soapy, so nah, this will do. So if you get your empty bottle and then you put that in it, go around and spray your benches, spray around the house, no harm done. No, 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 no. Anyway, forgot what it is. The chops is boiling. Okay, guys. Okay. Ta-da! So I didn't tip the thing directly down in the sink. I tip it in here, because after the fat will dry up on the top, and then that's when you pick it off, and then you put it in the bin, and then you discard the liquid, okay? Because if you pour the whole thing down, it will get, you know, that fatty part plunking the sink. Yeah, so you're gonna let this meat really boil down to get really nice and soft, okay? So when it's halfway cooked, it's not too bad too. When it's almost cooked, you throw in your potato and everything else that you want to throw in, and your seasoning. So you put the pumpkin around. This is actually a lot of pumpkin, but it's okay, you know, because if we don't eat it with our boil up, I can like mush it up and make it into a soup. Now we just place the cabbage around. So now I'm gonna boil this down like 10 minutes. I just want to put a bit of there we go. Now I'm just gonna boil it down like to 10 minutes, and then I'll check on it a little bit longer. So there's the dough boy. So you dip your spoon in the water. Oh, this flour is pretty like spring look, But anyway, see, it just comes off the spoon. So you dip your, yeah, this flour is springy. Red. By the way, sure it would cook the same way. So there's 2 in there. It will puff up slightly. Ooh-wee. Yep, everything looks cooked, so I'll turn off the oven and it'll carry on cooking. So here's the result, guys, and I like to put butter onto the cabbage and let it melt right through, and that's it. A simple little boil up, guys, and with the kumara there, pumpkin, doughboy, cabbage, potato, and lamb chops. Bon appetit. I did my prayer, guys, and I thought, hang on, why am I eating by myself? I should get you guys coming in with me. So that's cabbage and meat, guys. Okay, I'll bite. Ooh. Tastes good. Taste it with the garlic and the seasoning, the pepper. My nephew's going to eat later because he had him a little snack. Cabbage. Guys. If I had gotten the puha, I would have cooked the puha. Kumara. Doughboy. Delicious. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Really appreciate it. I hope you guys all have something lovely to eat. I don't know what you guys will be having to eat, but this is delicious. You can hear the cars zooming past because it was that rain, you know. Rain, go away. No, stay. I thought about the garden. Rain need to come and help the garden. Fast food, guys. Take care.